Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to paint a fishing boat in misty river. The background is foggy weather, very morning, and the atmospheric painting. Hope you will enjoy it, and please watch my full video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I already sketched the fishing boat and a man sitting on the boat. Now I already start painting with yellow ochre. In this painting you can see the right hand side is light, sunlight coming from there. So I keep light on the right hand side on water too. You can see I left some paper white in right side, and now I am painting the water. On this boat you have to leave the paper white and keep painting the water, and the right side I left some paper white to show the light on the water, and in the down side I am using ultramarine to show the deepness of the water in the foreground, and I am drawing some waves on the water in foreground, wet in wet, and it makes soft edge on the water. Extra water I am removing with the tissue paper and showing the light, and now the paper is not completely dry, just is damp paper, and I am painting the background mountain, and it make a soft edge because it create the mist effect and light coming from right side, so it's more mist. Now the shadow of the mountain in water, the reflection of the mountain, so one more layer in water, and it makes some wave too. It's a handmade paper and 220 GSM paper. I leave some water color with using brush. The brush at first clean the brush and it's rub and lift the color. It create the atmosphere of the mist and foggy weather. Now I am painting the boat, and I already keep the paper white there for the boats. Then after the paint boat, I will do the reflection of the boat in the water, then the boat showing realistic. The atmosphere of the painting done. You can look the background, the mountain and the lake, a mist effect. It's beautiful effect. It is very easy painting, and It's very useful for beginners. Hope you will enjoy it and watch my full video. The last few minutes is more interesting because the main painting, some detailing work on that time, so don't miss it. Watch my full video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.